Welcome to Kreation Art School. Here I'm going to make a piled up spheres. Here I have taken an A4 size ivory paper of 140 GSM. So to get a spherical view of the object at eye level, we need to make it oval shaped. Now I am going to start coloring the bottom oval with red sketch pen. I am coloring the second from the bottom oval with a yellow sketch pen. I am going to color third from the bottom oval with a purple sketch pen. I'm going to color the top oval with a blue sketch pen. Now I'm adding shades to the spheres. With the help of a white glass marker, I'm making the reflection of light to make it more realistic. Now it's time to add shadows. Draw a line at half of the length of the spheres and cut the upper part, except the spheres.